Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something pretty cool here. This is my brand new Galanz 10.0 cubic feet retro refrigerator. If this were just a regular refrigerator, I wouldn't even be doing this video, but the fact that this is cool and it has this nice retro look, yeah, that's why I got it. So it'll be perfect here in the garage where I decided to put it. I think I'm gonna put it over there. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, let's unbox it, let's see what it looks like, and yeah, I just wanted to show you this really quick. It's pretty cool. All right guys. Okay, box cutter here. Okay. Take that. All right. Okay, there it is. And here's a look at the Energy Star guide. Not gonna consume a lot of power. This isn't some giant super fridge. Yeah, let me show you the handles that it came with really quick. Okay, so also inside the package, you'll get two of these. These are your handles. One goes on the top for the freezer. The other one goes on the bottom for the refrigerator, so you can open it. It'll come with 3 bolts right here, and they even include an Allen wrench. So pretty simple, and you'll just put the bolts 1, 2, 3, and it'll line up with the holes on the fridge. If there's one thing I think I don't care for with the whole entire fridge is these. Although they look great, they feel very cheap and light. I mean, these things feel like they cost like $3. I guess it'd be cool if it was like a real metal one, like the real fridges from back in the 50s, 60s, whenever it was. But yeah, I guess they probably did that to keep costs down. But anyways, this is it. You get 2 of them. And yeah, this is really lightweight plastic. But it looks nice, but I wish it were metal. All right, let's go ahead and install these. Okay, I'm gonna put the freezer one in. Now, the bolts are already kind of sat in there. I figured it'd make it a little easier for me. Get my Allen key on there, and then I can go ahead and start it with this. Okay. Make sure it's lined up. And same thing over here. Okay, now I'll just tighten this up and then do that on the bottom one as well. Okay, let's go ahead and insert this. We'll put it in on the right-hand side first, and then now we'll just go ahead and push it in. You'll hear it click in, and you're good to go. All right, let's take a look at the inside. Okay, let's open up the freezer, and yeah, as you can see, nice and spacious. Not too bad. I'll put all the stats and everything for the refrigerator and freezer up on the screen so you can see it right there, so you know exactly how big the freezer is and how big the refrigerator is. Some tape here. Okay, there's a better look inside the freezer. It says turbo cooling, frost free. And yeah, to the left is cold and to the right it says colder. Okay, let's look at the fridge. Okay, so in my garage here, I have a bunch of drinks that are just sitting out. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the refrigerator really quick to give you a better size comparison so you could see what it looks like when I have some drinks loaded in there. Okay, drinks loaded up, and voila. Okay, and here's a better look. As you see, I have a bunch of Arrowhead waters up here, Gatorades, some mini Gatorades, more Arrowhead water here. Some Arizona iced teas, and then on the door you can see this is for sodas, but I just have mini ones. We're not real big soda drinkers, but we just have small little mini ones that fit here, and plenty of storage. I'll come in a little closer so you can see. Okay, and there are your cooling controls for the refrigerator, whatever you want it at, and all you do is just hit the set button to where you want it. 1 is colder, 5 is coldest. I like my drinks really cold, so yeah, right there on 4. Not bad, simple, just simple. Okay, and on the drawer here, they have a humidity control, low, high. Simple, not too bad, but plenty of storage, plenty of storage. All right, you guys, so that's it. It's all unboxed. I got drinks in there. It's keeping it nice and cold. Yeah, if you can listen, I don't know if you can hear now. So not loud at all. So if you have a game room, bonus room, home theater, a small studio, apartment, garage, or just this is the size your kitchen can accommodate, as you could see, it's pretty cool. I absolutely love it. I love the retro look. Like I said, what's old is new. So this is old, but new and modern. So yeah, it's not like it's from the 50s and it's consuming all that power like a fridge would from back then compared to today's, energy efficient stuff. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It's cool. The only thing I will say, two things if I had to be nitpicky. Number one, I already mentioned, is the handles. They're a cheap plastic. They look great. I wish they were the real metal, real deal things. Number two, and this is why I don't buy black cars, but yeah, I could already see dust getting on them. And I went to kind of like just wipe off a smudge with my t-shirt and it left like little hairline scratches. Not the biggest thing in the world, but I think that's just what happens with black. And this exterior here is plastic. So be careful. Don't just take a harsh towel or something to wipe it down if there's dust or it gets dirty, fingerprints. I would say get a microfiber and use that to wipe it down. That's what I did, and that seems to work a lot better. So yeah, I can see scratches, because the black and it's, a cheaper plastic, I guess, and the handles. But other than that, it's perfect. As you can see, I absolutely love it. And yeah, that's it. If you guys got any questions or anything, you guys know I always make videos of stuff that I get. But yeah, any questions, go ahead and leave it in the description. If you want to buy one, I'll leave it in the link. This retails for about $500. Not too bad considering what you get. And oh yeah, I did add something small, kind of cool on the side for you guys could see. All right, and as you can see, there it is. I had to put that nice little decal on there. I'm a huge Tesla fan. I drive a Tesla, and I like how the chrome even matches, you know what I mean? But yeah, you guys got any questions, leave it in the description. I'll leave a link if you guys want to buy one, and that's it. All right, guys.